Hey guys, how you going? Righto, I'm going to make a sharpening jig. You'll see on YouTube Colin Connect. I'll put a link in the description so that you'll know what I'm talking about right now. First off, right, we got a piece of dowel, broom handle actually this is, and it's 25 mils round, which is 1 inch in you American speaking people. Right, now, so I've got this square set at the moment at 100 millimeters, 10 centimeters, so I just got an even number to work with. Right, I want to cut this at, say, I'm going to make it about an 8. Which, if I went 75 for the imperial people, which is 4 inches, it's over that, so it's just over, but it's for us English metric people, 80 mils. I don't know, 8 centimeters, 80 mils, whichever way you want to put it. The older generation, younger generation. Right. I hate cutting these things because they are very, very, very freaking tricky. Because they like to spin the little fucks. So you gotta hold it there nice and grippy. So you're gonna do this the proper way. Be smart about it. Alright, that should not go anywhere now. I'm slipping over. There you go, champions. And a nice 80 mil there. So you can see. Right. That's that one. Now we want to do the same on this. Now, this here is 16 millimeter thick by 17 millimeters wide by the same again. Mil. I'm not even going to worry about the back vacuum at the moment. privileges of 60 teeth cut, beautifully clean cuts. Nice. Right, now, there we go. As you can see, both exactly the same size. So now, what we're going to do, we can put that in our spare wood and throw it in the bin, whichever one you prefer. Same with that little bit. If I was smart, I could have measured the 8 centimetres or 80 mil off the end of the actual rod that I used, but that's why I cut a piece off just to show you what I needed. Make it a bit easier. I don't care. I'm losing 5 mils. Righto. Next. Now we're going to have to get two of these. Oops. Right. What these are, they're called legs. They're called legs by these people, but they're T-nuts. They're T-nuts. So we're going to drill out a hole in the top of this evenly from each side that will fit in, but we're only going to sink this down with that hole with the Spade Bit, which is a 19 mil I'm going to use because I don't have an actual Spade Bit that's exactly the same as that. As long as it's just under, I don't mind. The next one down that I've got is a 16, and it's a fraction bit too small. So 19 it's going to be. Alright. Now, we're going to grab the drill.